All right, so at this point, what you want to do is start doing those tassels. So those would be made out of strips of leather that things would be attached to later, such as beads and feathers. So I want it to look like it's sort of overlapping here. So I'm going to draw as if it's coming up and around here and then hanging down. But then I'm going to do a line parallel to that one to do the other side of it. And I want to think about putting more than one strip on there, and then maybe this one sort of crosses behind that one. The wind's blowing a little bit maybe. And changing the different lengths of them. So maybe this one's shorter than the other one. And then maybe I've got another one here. All right, so I'm going to do 3 on here. You could do more than that. You could do less than that. That's up to you. All right, so I still want that to look 3-dimensional. So this is where I'm going to finish off the hoop. So I'm going to finish putting that middle tone color on there. And if these are made out of the same leather, then I'm going to go ahead and add a middle tone color on with that as well. Now you'll notice I didn't quite finish drawing the bottom part of them. I didn't want to close off the shape because I'm going to attach some stuff to it. I'm going to put some beads and feathers on there. So I'm going to bring the color down, but not quite all the way down on that either. And then just like on the hoop, I want to think, well, if this is supposed to look more 3D, more realistic, I want it to appear to have light parts of the color and dark parts of the color. So, if this comes around, there would be sort of a shadow on this side. And that would sort of make it seem like this side would be a little darker. So you can be using the black for this if you want to go real dark, or also this brown is darker than the brown I started with, so that would be a good alternative as well. So here I actually have to go a step further. I kind of like that brown in there, so I'm going to add some to this one as well. But I got to go a step further with my value here. This one is actually disappearing behind another one, so it would actually be more of a shadow there, and then there would be more of a shadow coming out from behind this part as well. All right, this one is by itself, so handling the shadow on that would be quite a bit easier because I just have to think about which side is the dark side, which side is going to stay the light side. And if I want to level up on that shadow, then I'm going to add a little black to the side of it. So this is ready for me to now add beads and feathers and things on there. So you're going to get yourself to that point, and then I will show you the next step.